Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about how financial savviness just doesn't happen. It isn't something that just happens. We have to plan for it. We're going to talk about how we can be financially savvy in 6 steps. Number 1 is making a financial plan and establishing a monthly budget. These are the two most important traits in a financially savvy people. What we do is we make a financial plan, which is a goal. I call it a financial goal. And then we plan with those goals. So we have long-term goals and short-term goals. We include these things, including our leisure activity, investment goals are in there, major purchases, such as buying a house or a car. And we're able to manage those that start by managing those plans. Your budget should be the center of your current living expense. So your day-to-day expenses should be part of your budgets. So here are some steps to get to that point. Let's talk about number 1. List all of your living expenses. Start with noting down all the expenses that are related to your basic daily needs, such as rent, utilities, groceries, and transportation. Identify flexible and reoccurring expenses. So write down your expenses that it varies each month, that alongside the fixed expenses such as streaming subscriptions, loan payments, etc. Calculate your after-tax income, which is so important. Sum up all of your income you receive each month after taxes are deducted, and then give a clear picture of what actually you have to spend. Then set your financial goals. Define what you want to achieve with the money, and that both in short term and long term, such as vacations for short term and retirement for long term. Start tracking your expenses. Keep a record of everything, including all of your expenditures. That will help with your money goals and make it easier for you to adjust the habits that are needed. Review and adjust your budget regularly, over and over and over, as many times as you need to do that. These are all things that you need to do when it comes to planning and becoming financially savvy. If you like the topics we're covering on these videos, please make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below on future videos that you would like to see on this channel. Thank you so much for watching this video today. Comment below on what topic you would like for me to cover next, and I'll see you on the next video.